Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll be doing a camera comparison between Galaxy A51 and iPhone 11. Now we all know that iPhone 11 has a class-leading camera. On the rear, iPhone 11 has a dual camera setup, 12 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture. It also features a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.4 aperture. From the rear camera, it can shoot 4K with 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. On the front, iPhone has a 12 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. It also has a wide angle in the front. And the good thing is that iPhone can record from the front camera also 4K videos with 24, 30 or 60 frames per second. On the other side, we have Samsung Galaxy A51. On the rear, Samsung has included a L-shaped quad camera setup. It has a main 48 megapixel f2.0 wide angle camera with face detection autofocus. It also has a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle camera. And the new addition is the 5 megapixel dedicated macro camera. I'm just eager to see the results of the macro camera. Also, there is a 5 megapixel wide depth sensor for the bokeh effect. On the front, it has a 32 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. One of the coolest thing about this device is that it can shoot 4K on the rear and as well as on the front camera. I think this is one of the coolest thing about this device because usually in mid-end segment devices, you don't get a selfie camera which can shoot 4K videos. So kudos to Samsung for including it. Now let's enjoy some photos and videos taken from this device and also compare them with iPhone 11's camera, which is Apple's latest flagship device. Now the camera of this device is quite impressive. Pictures came out really well and also the videos from front and rear camera. Samsung has also included a super steady mode on this camera, which is really nice to have to avoid that jerks you get in the videos. But yes, it's not comparable to iPhone 11, which is a flagship device of Apple. But as a mid-end device and the price you pay for this device, I think Samsung has included an awesome camera. There is also a poll running over here for the camera test. Kindly click over here to give your vote. Now, one of the most important thing you would all like to know is the price of this device. In Dubai, this is retailing for 1150 AED, which is equivalent to 23,000 Indian currency. I got this device from Amazon Prime. If you want to buy this device from Amazon, the links are below in the descriptions. You can click on the link and buy this device. But definitely you can buy in the Samsung store itself or any other retail store because the device is open for public in UAE. That's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.